Start. Applying the said analogy, the claim of the father of the respondent petitioner had already been forwarded and he was very much alive when the government order dated 13/8/2015 was issued. Full stop. In such a situation, the state government or its concerned department ought to have considered the claim of the respondent petitioner for regularization and then could have proceeded to determine as to whether the respondent petitioner was entitled to any benefit or not. Full stop. In our opinion, the fortuitous circumstance of the death of the father of the respondent petitioner does not absolve the state government of its obligation to consider the claim of regularization of the father of the respondent petitioner. Full stop. There can be a case where the consideration has been made and the regularization accepted, but before the order reaches a man dies or his death takes place in the near vicinity or simultaneously with regularization. Full stop. In this situation, the claim of regularization of the deceased employee does not remain an option to be ignored by the state government. Full stop. The state government or its authorities are under an obligation to consider such a claim and toward any consequential benefits if the process has been set into motion as has happened in the present case. Full stop. Once the father of the respondent petitioner is found entitled to be regularized as on the date of the government order dated 13/8/2015, on which date he was admittedly alive, then in that event the claim of the respondent petitioner can also be considered. Full stop. Para. The consideration of the right of being regularized by operation of law while in force had already accrued in favor of the father of the respondent petitioner, and his death in between further gave rise to the expected consequential claim of compassionate appointment of the petitioner provided his father's services were declared regular. Full stop. The consideration of such right, whether had accrued, does not get eclipsed nor could it be abundant. Full stop. If the consideration results in the services of the petitioner's father becoming regular, then the full bench judgment in the case of Pawan Kumar Yadav under bracket Supra would not be an impediment for the respondent petitioner to be considered for compassionate appointment. Full stop. The appellant state and its authorities therefore cannot escape this exercise and defeat the right of consideration by their inaction or the absence of timely and prompt action. Full stop. Such exercise of consideration will not evaporate because of untimely death, which is a fortuitous circumstance so as to result in any advantage to the state. Full stop. Apart from this, in the present case, those who were at par with the father of the respondents had been extended the benefit of regularization. Full stop. This distinguishing feature therefore is in addition to the issues involved in the case of Pawan Kumar Yadav Supra, and consequently the claim of the respondent petitioner was at least entitled for consideration by the state government in the light of the observations made here in above. Learned counsel for the appellant state submits that the services of the father of the respondent petitioner could not be straight away treated to have been regularized and the learned single judge full stop.